How to turn off voice and video calls on Messenger. Here's how. Initially open the Messenger app on a device and select the chat of the person whose call you want to mute. Tap on the profile name or the photo at the top of the chat. Scroll down and tap on the notification and sounds. Here toggle the switch beside the calls to off. To stop the call, tap on the until I change it option and confirm your action. This ensures you won't receive calls from that person, but they can still message you. If you want to mute all Messenger calls, then go back and click on the menu icon at the bottom right and select the settings. Furthermore, scroll down and tap on the notification and sound. Here toggle the switch at the top beside the on option. Moreover, again select the time duration you wish to turn off the call notification and confirm your action. This silences the Messenger call notification from everyone according to the time duration you have set. And that's it. This is how to turn off voice and video calls on Messenger.